long does it take? What's up? What's up? Thanks for joining the unannounced live. So I'm gonna long here, and basically I have a really long target. It's probably more likely that I get stopped out of this trade rather than it hitting my target because it's been a really shitty day, but we'll see what happens. Good afternoon, good afternoon. You got out at 2:55, probably smart. You can't really trust the market today, but I have a break-even stop, so we're just gonna see what happens. Trading micros, yes. Trading micros across 4 Apex funded accounts right now. Trying to ride this wave, trying to see if we make it all the way to the top. I have a OB to OB premise in the higher time frame. Fuck, am I gonna get stopped out right here? I basically think that we're just moving up to this higher order block, but this might be very short-lived. We'll see. I'm not going to jump out if it hits my stop. It just hits my stop. So I got a break-even stop right here. This is my first take profit right here, which would get me out of 50% of the position per account. And then the other take profits are up here based off of Fibonacci extension levels. We shall see. I don't have a lot of hope for it, but it's protected, so I'm going to take the chance. I hope you guys are having a good trading day. Hopefully you guys survived all of the chop in the market today. I expect a lot more from Tuesdays. Tuesdays are usually like very uniform, good trading days, but today's been a bit shitty. And we're looking at the 3-minute time frame on my screen here, by the way. Free trade, absolutely. For sure. Of course, unless it does something crazy and blows through my stop loss, then it's not free at all. So we'll see. Maybe I start trailing the trade with my stop once we get to like, I don't know. This line represents a 1-to-1. So maybe if we make it past here, maybe I start trailing. We'll see. I don't know. I kind of want to just leave it alone and just kind of like see what it's going to do. I don't know. Sometimes that works out in my favor, sometimes it doesn't. Coming up against the earlier bearish fair value gap here. I think that was the fair value gap that I saw in the 1-minute time frame that it reacted very nicely from. I caught like a really quick short on that, but I started trailing my stop and then I got knocked out before we really got like the big juicy move on that. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for joining. Good to see you here. Oh, look at this bullshit. This is a stop out. Yeah, the candle looks too heavy. Will we make it? I don't think so. I don't know. And that's a fair value gap too, right there. That's a bullish fair value gap. So there's a lot of space that it could pull into and then still continue to move up. Well, let's see. Yeah, that's probably a stop out. I'll try not to, but you might see me start cussing on live. I don't know. Ugh. Do we believe it yet? I don't believe it. Let's see what this next candle does. Yeah, the indicators are looking weak as fuck too. I'm like 90% sure this is gonna stop out. Fuck. I think we come crashing down. If this actually pulls up and keeps going, I will be shocked, especially with the way that the market has been going so far today. That 20K was a wild day. Yeah, these are all funded Apex accounts. So I'm trading one 300K account and three 25K accounts right now. This is gonna be the last trade that I take for the day, but I'll be back Friday. If you guys are around, come join me on live on Friday. And I'll be live like at the start of the New York Open on Friday. And by the way that I traded in that video that did 20K, don't trade like that, please. I was trying to beat the eval, but don't be like that, okay? And don't call out of work. Please go to work. AJ. Gotta keep those jobs for the rainy days. Trading is a tough job. On top of the world one day, ready to jump off some shit the next. Like, not the market, you, literally. It's emotional sometimes. This is funded, so I'm trading one 300K funded account with Apex and three 25K funded accounts with Apex. So I'm copy trading them all at one time. So essentially, I'm in each trade with 6 micros. Fuck, here goes the stop out. I knew you were lying to me, Naz. I knew it.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
There it goes. All right. Well, that's it for today. I'll be back on Friday if you guys are around. I'll be here then for New York open, and hopefully Friday goes a lot better than today, because today the market looks like absolute shit. All right. Well, you guys stay safe. I don't know that I would recommend anybody jump in this market right now, but if you're feeling gutsy, I mean, hey, do your thing, but be safe. Thank you guys for joining the quick unannounced live. And again, I hope to see you guys on Friday. Thanks for joining. Bye, guys.